so I choke on sun, and the days blur into one in the backs of my eyes, on the things I've never done. Sheets are swaying from an old clothesline, like a row of captured ghosts or old dead grass. It's never much, but we've made the most. Welcome ships are launching from my chest. Some have names, but most do not. If you find one, please let me know what piece I've lost. Peel the scars from off my back. I don't need them anymore. You can throw them out. Keep them in your mason jars. I've come all my nightmares escape my head. Bar the door, please don't let them in. We were never supposed to leave. Now my head's splitting at the seams, and I don't know if I can.
When I was there on the day they sold the cars for the Queen, and when the lights all went out, we watched our lives on the screen. I hate the ending myself, but it started with an alright scene. It was the roar of the crowd that gave me heartache to sing. It was a lie when they smiled and